wanted to let you guys see how whatever they're using melts the floor and damages the floor. So this is the damage that it does to the floor. It also created this mark on this side of my head. It has a scab. I hope I'm getting this because it's right here. You guys see that? Right here. I may have to try to video it again, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to see if I can try to get this scab right here. So whenever they hit me with something, it causes a scab. So I used to call them just marks, but it's like a scab. So you can see it right here. I also have this dark spot right here. And I told you guys before that they said they create these dark spots. So you see the extra little thing on the side of my hand and then this dark spot. So I hope this came out. If it didn't, I'll try again.